Hey, what's up, y'all? Just got done wrapping up epic feature, actually 2 features. Out here in the woods. This used to be huge stream waterfall coming down to another pond. Homeowner tried to do it himself, didn't do a great job. Hired somebody else a couple years ago to fix it up. They did a worse job, brought us back in here. We split it up, redid the whole thing, turned it into 2 epic features. Check these bad boys out. So you'll have to pardon, the water's still a little murky, but you get the gist.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Well, good afternoon. I am sorry that I did not film earlier.
You sure about that?
But we are here doing a redo in a really tight backyard, doing a reverse build, top to bottom.
The following day.
Good morning. So me and Jose are dismantling this old pond. It was just a lot of thin stack stone. Give you a little example. Just a nice cluttered mess. Not sure what I'm doing with this part of the stream yet. Might touch it up. Last week we finished all of this up here.
Later. A little longer than a few minutes later. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Got this pond down in there coming up. It used to go the whole ways through, but we cut it off there, so there's a separate system, pondless waterfall up here, and this pond down there. There is literally no access around here. Had to bring our track hoe down through the wood, cut down some trees and whatnot to get back here. Didn't have the best access in the world, or any access at all. I'll show you the video. We have what this water feature used to look like right here. Here's a couple photos of what this bad boy used to look like right here. Now, look at that improvement. Holy moly, guacamole. And there he is, the man himself. All right, I am here with none other than the mastermind behind this glorious project. What happened here, boss?
So this is a project we used to maintain and get called out to look at for the last few years. It was like a 65-foot stream that came down to a pond that could use a little shape and kept having issues with it leaking. It wasn't the way we would build it. So after like the 3rd or 4th trip out here, I kind of got them going with maybe we could rebuild some of it. Maybe we could turn it into 2 features. Maybe we could just do the top, and then eventually they trusted us, she and he. Ryan turned it out. Ryan, Jose, Greg, Jada, Keith, everybody turned it out as they always do. But this makes it easy to sell stuff when you know it's going to look like this when it's done. Proud of the crew. Look at it.
Would you look at that?
Absolutely love all this moss, these wicked stumps. Love both of these waterfalls. Those rocks are huge. Sure, you probably can't tell from the video, but they are massive. Look at this moss work, stump work. Ryan and Jose definitely outdid themselves again. I love it. Pond down there. Now we're up on the upper level. On this waterfall.
Just look at it.
What's better than 1 water feature? 2 water features. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Is it a big upgrade? Not that big? Obviously it was, right? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Every single person you ever met in your whole entire life. Check you on the next one. Peace.
Look at it. Look at it. I mean, just get a look at that. Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Get a look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Yeah, what the heck is that? Just look at it. Just look at it. Today with CE Ponds. Oh my boy, no!
Do you like me? If you do, please say.